Hey guys, this is Brian from Make Room at Eline Media. While it's possible to make a game all on your own, we often talk about game making as a team sport. Whether you're working on a AAA game with hundreds of team members or jamming with a small team, there are a few important skill sets, also known as disciplines, that most game projects involve. In our own studios, we always think about 4 key disciplines that every game project has. We call them the 4 legs of the stool because each of them is very important, and if any one of them is missing or broken, the stool is probably going to fail spectacularly. These 4 disciplines are design, engineering, art, and producing. Game designers craft the play experience, thinking about what the game will be like for the players. They ultimately figure out what the game should be, and also do things like create individual levels, develop the game's story, and write scripts. Engineers design and implement the game's technical systems. They are responsible for doing the technical work like selecting tools, architecting systems, and writing code that brings the design vision to life. Artists are responsible for the game's visuals. This not only includes creating all the individual assets, graphics, models, textures, and so on that are needed in the game, but also developing the game's visual style and character designs. Producers are responsible for coordinating the activities of all the people working on the game. They develop the schedule of production, they make sure all the team members are getting their work done in order to deliver the game on time, on budget, and with acceptable quality. Even on very small teams, it can be helpful to think about your roles and responsibilities in these terms. Someone on the game project should be the lead designer, for example. This person is ultimately responsible for the game's design, even if other members of the team contribute to it. Having clear areas of responsibility like this helps to ensure that all the key areas of the project are being addressed, and also that there is someone who can make a final decision in a particular area when differences of opinion come up.